In this tutorial, we're going to add views to an existing management pack. So let's go ahead and open an existing management pack that we recently worked on. We'll click on the Views container to see any views that are currently defined. Here we see one view and we see some properties associated with that view. To add new views, I'm going to right-click on the Views container and get a list of the 5 different view types that we can add to the management pack using MP-Author. Let's go ahead and start with creating a new performance view. As in the case of other MP objects, we're able to browse an existing system to, in this case, retrieve performance information, performance counter information from that machine to help us define the new view that we're creating. Here we'll step through defining exactly which performance object we're interested in creating the view on, as well as the performance counter. We'll have the view enabled by default, and when I click on Finish, MP-Author is going to go create that new view and display it here in the list. We'll have a similar experience with defining some of the other types of views within this management pack. I'm going to right-click on the Views container and select Create a New Event View. Again, I'll be asked for a machine I can browse to use existing information to help me create this new event view. I can define the target for the view, whether I'm using a rule or I'm going to go directly at the event log, in this case the application event log, and I'll put in a couple of event IDs. That will be part of this view. The view will be enabled by default, and I'll click on Finish to create that new view. Similarly, for an alert view, the folder name as well as the category for the alert view. The target, some information to filter the alert, severity, and the priority of the alert. Click Finish, the new alert view would be created. A dashboard view allows us to create a dashboard consisting of some different views. Here I'm presented with a grid style for the new dashboard view that we're creating. I'll choose a 2x2 grid, and then clicking on each of the cells I can choose which view I want to have displayed in that particular cell of the view that we're creating. And I'll step through that with each of the 4 cells in this case. When I'm finished, I'll click on Next, and we'll complete the new dashboard view. And the last item on the list is a new state view. Again, choosing the folder and category for this state view. Provide some criteria in terms of the severity. Provide a separate display name if I want. And there we've now created a new state view. With any of these views, I can right-click and see some additional information. I do see the properties on the right-hand page, as well as I can edit knowledge and delete the view. When I'm finished, I'm going to save the view, and then I can right-click on the management pack and move that into the Operations Manager environment.